you what kind of videos you'd like to see this autumn and winter, and a lot of you said autumn nature hikes, colourful trees, trips to the forest, autumn aesthetics in Sweden. A lot of you said autumn Swedish nature. This is sjörök, which translates to lake smoke. It's a fog that appears in autumn and winter when the temperature of the water is warmer than the temperature in the air. Now, a lot of Swedish autumn days look like this, rainy and miserable and perfect for staying indoors. And those have their beauty as well, but when I picture myself a Swedish nature autumnal inspiring video, it's sunshine, rainbows, all that kind of stuff. So recently, me and Cassie went for a walk in the forest. It was a beautiful day, the sun was shining, and it was going to be the last sunny day for many weeks. However, we did get a few nice days, but it was nice to catch up with Cassie and spend some time outdoors. A few days ago it was not terrible, but the sun was hiding behind this thin layer of clouds, making it a little bit grey but still sunny. I don't know how to explain it, but I hope you understand. And I decided to go for a walk because I just felt like the outdoors was calling me. And so I went for a walk and just wanted to capture all these colours on camera. And I promise you, we will go hiking in the depths of the Swedish forest, but not during elk hunting season. my little autumnal Swedish nature video. I hope you enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and subscribe to my channel if you're new. I would be very happy. And aside from that, I will see you in my next video. Take care and stay safe. Haydon!